Today I'm gonna do unboxing. I got LED lights from Amazon. This is the box. So I'm gonna open it and see how the lights looks like. Okay, let's open the box. Alright, here we go. So this is the box looks like inside the packaging. Now we're gonna open this. Whoa, look at this. So seems like this is the light. So this is the lights. That's how big it is. I got the lights and this is the tripod. So it comes with tripod. So this is a tripod. It's kind of small, but I think that's fine. So this is a tripod. Let's see, set up on the table. And then it comes with, what is this? Oh, a remote. I guess this is remote. It's in Chinese language, so I don't know what is this. I guess I have to open it. Remote shutter. And it's all in Chinese. I don't know what it say. All Chinese. There's no English at all. Okay. And then I don't know what is this. I think this is the things that to put phone maybe. I don't know. Is this how it looks like? This is too. Alright, so now we gotta set up the lights. Alright, let's do it. Okay, now we're gonna set up the lights. So first thing you have to do this part that attach with the lights. So we have a screw like this. Screw. And this is attachment. So you're gonna attach this part, look like this, to the hitch. So it's gonna attach like this, so like that, and with the screw. Tricky. It's moving, so make sure you get in good position. So tighten up the screw, so it's gonna be look like this. So it's gonna look like this. So the screw in this side, and then you get a tripod. So connect the light part with the screw on the tripod. So and this is the screw for the tripod is in the bottom part. And tight it up. Make sure everything is tight. So it's gonna look like this. You can adjust the height of the tripod. which is like this, and there's a screw in here to tighten it up. So, and you can adjust if you want to be more taller, you can adjust from here. Yep, it depends how tall you want. And we gotta put the phone connector. So this is a phone connector. So this is you can open like, this is like a rubber. So you put this one on here. There, and adjust and tighten it up. This is the number, so you can adjust and just pull here. There we go. And then this is the phone holder, and you just match the hole in here in the phone holder and with the connector. So it's gonna be look like this. Just snap into it. Make sure you snap this until you hear the sound. Okay, that's it. And now we're gonna work with the remote. So this is the remote part. Oh, actually this is USB. The plug. So the plug is like USB plug. It's not like electric cable. So it's like USB cable kind of style. Okay, so that is the final setup looks like, and you can adjust the lights. There we go. There we go. Okay. How many adjustment you can make? 3. So you more than 3. So this light also come with the phone holder. So if you want to do like a makeup video, you can put your phone in here, so you can take a video with your phone instead of with big camera. So also it comes with the remote shutter, and you can connect it with your phone via Bluetooth. So okay, that's how my unboxing and review this LED light from Amazon. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and comment. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next unboxing. Bye bye.